Dear teachers and others otherwise engaged in the educational process, this video and also other videos which will follow this one are dedicated to the problem how to use Moodle to prepare course materials and actually to prepare course itself. So this is how Moodle looks like. And of course, in your university or in your school, you will have your own version of the Moodle. And when you log in into the system, you will find all the courses where you are a teacher or maybe a student, but this one is related to the teachers. So I'm the teacher in 2 courses here, and this test course is specially dedicated for this and the following videos where we can do experiments and try to figure out how stuff works. So when you click on the course title, you get inside the course page, and you see that at the moment the page is empty and there is nothing, and we can start to fill in all the materials and all the stuff we have for the course. And in this video we will go through the title of the course, or this head section. And to do something with it, you need to click on the button here on the top right corner, turn editing on. And after that, some new buttons appear, and we can start to edit things and add some new things to our course. So to edit this head section, we need to go here, push the button edit, and click on edit section. And now we are in the head section of the course, and we can add or remove information and add information for our students. So there is some indicators what we need to add. Of course, there is a program, and for example, let's say that our test course will be for master program in business administration, so we can add here just MBA. And the course title or course name, let's say it will be whatever you teach. Let's say it's in international business. And the course author, it will be me, so I can write down. And sometimes universities ask also to add your degree which you have, and I have 2 of them. So one is MBA and the other one is master's degree in physics. So it's I hope I write it down correctly. So the next thing is contact details. And surely you need to indicate some contact details, how students can reach you. But what you need to keep in mind is that you must be available on for the students. So if they send an email to the email address you indicate here, you must be sure that you will check this email. And if you indicate the phone number, then you must be sure that you will be available on this phone number. So for me, let's say phone will be +371. And my email address is this one. So, and students will see these 2 contact options. And if necessary, they can write something to me and ask some questions and then engage with me. One thing you must also keep in mind, it's regarding problems of personal data protection. And the thing is that if you indicate your personal email, like in this particular case, right, you must ensure that you will not receive some students' works to your email, right? Because if you ask your students to send, I don't know, essays or whatever you ask your students to do, these homeworks or whatever to send to your email, and it's your personal email, you kind of gather personal data of your students. And it's, strictly speaking, it's not really allowed. So much about contacts. And then about consultations, which are also important thing. It depends. Maybe you have some special day of the week and then special time for consultations, or you arrange consultations specifically if any students ask. But here's the place where you can put information when you are available for consultations, if any. Well, let's say, I don't know, Mondays from 10 till midday. Yeah. So what else? Then the good thing is also to have your photo here, because sometimes if you teach remote courses and you don't engage with students via remote lectures in Zoom or whatever platform you use, then it might be that students even can't see you during the lectures, and so it's a good thing, and actually it's recommended if there is it is recommended to put your picture here. It is not really necessary to put like a passport picture or whatever, but the picture you have, well, the best picture you have according to your views will be good enough. So there is a button, insert or edit image. You can click on that, and then oh, sorry, it was not really the right button, I guess, or it was. No, it was. So I clicked the browse repository, and if you have any pictures already upload into the Moodle system, you can use them. If not, you can add the picture from your folder. So I click choose file, and here is my picture, and we can click upload this picture, and here you can indicate the size of the picture, right? As you see at the moment, the picture is quite huge, and if you put it like that into the course site, it will kind of ruin the whole view of the site. So we can say that it will be 250 by 232, and I keep the this checkbox checked for the auto size, so the dimensions of the picture stays the same. And I click save the image, and what it's asking, it asks for the title of the picture, but we can put the checkbox here in front of description, not necessary, so we will not need any. And save the image. So we added the image. And then, which is also not really required, but it might be good if you can do that, to put links to your social networks as well. As you imagine, it's not really the necessary to do that for the students to the complete course, but of course, students are really interested who the teacher is. And of course, they will try to search for you. And if there is no special reason for you to hide your personal life, actually it will make the course more, so to say, more humane for the students if you put some links to your social networks as well. And how you can do that? You can put the links itself here, but you can also put the small pictures and put the links to your social networks here. So let's do that. I click again, add image, and browse repository, and where it was, choose the file. And I already prepared the few pictures. Let's start with the Facebook. Open, upload, overwrite, and let's say it will be, I don't know, 100 by something pixels, and description is not necessary, and save file. So it added this icon. Then we can add one more. Upload file, choose file. Let's say the one for the Instagram. Upload this file. Description is not necessary. 100 pixels height. Save image. And let's say, let's add one more. File, and what else? LinkedIn. Open, upload file, description not necessary, 100 pixels height of this image, save image, and here we go. Yeah, so much so good. We can click Save Changes. And we have our head section of our demo course or test course ready. What else? Here we see the title general for the head section of your course. We can change it if we want to. We can click on this pen image and write whatever it is we want to write here. Normally, usually we can put here the title of our course. So it's, let's say it's international business. What is specific to the Moodle? If we now click somewhere else, the text disappear and we will stay with the previous text. Right? We can try to do that. I just click somewhere else and we see the general title is back. So I write down the course title one more time. And now we must click the button Enter on the keyboard. And when I do that, you can see that the title now changed. So what else? We can add, the important thing, actually, I forgot to do. So we go back to the edit the content of the head section, and we need to add links actually to our to mine social networks. So how to do that? We click on the picture, on the Facebook picture for this instance, and here is the button link. We click on that, and here's the possibility to copy link to wherever we want. And actually, we can also put the checkmark here in front of open in new window. And it's a good idea to do that, because if you don't do that, then student, when he clicks on this image of the Facebook icon, he will go away from the site of a course. And then it might be problematic to get back. So what it was Facebook. So if you have Facebook, of course, I have one you can find some stuff about me here. But what I will do, I just copy the link to my Facebook account, paste it here, click in open a new window and say create link. And that's it. And then I can do the same thing for the Instagram. Okay, so there is also some stuff going on. Control C, and here again the link button. Copy the link, open a new window, and create link. And last but not least, LinkedIn, and the same thing. Control C, and link button. Control V, open a new window, create link, and save changes. Here we go. And now, if someone clicks on this Instagram button, the new tab opens, and whoever it is will be directed to the Instagram account of yours, if you have one, of course. So much so good. What else? If we talk about study courses, then of course you will need to put somewhere description of your course, and we will talk about description of the course later. But at the moment, I created just an empty Word document and name it study course description here. And how you can add the document, you can just click on it and just drag it inside your course page and release the mouse button. Aha, so it doesn't allow me to put empty file here. Then I will just take other PDF document and drag it into the course site. So you notice that the title of the document is appears here. If we want to change it, we can click on the edit title button and write down the text we want. Let's say it's course description. Here we go. So, and then there is already one, but you can add more if you want to. It's the forum button or the forum. And what happens is that you can write a message in the forum, and every student connected to this course will receive the announcement in their emails, which is a good thing. You don't need to gather emails from each of your students and put in your email address box and then send an emails to them if you want to send a message to all of the students. So this is a good thing. If you don't have one, you can add it by clicking on add an activity or resource, and where it is. Here, forum. You can click on it, click the button add, and there is some settings for the forum. We will not discuss these settings in this video, but in the beginning, only thing you need is just a forum name, and you can write it down in this window. Let's say it will be course forum. So, and save and return to course. And here is your forum. And if you want to delete it, then you can click here on edit message and click delete and say yes. So for the first lecture, so to say, that's it. we can click on this button, turn editing off, and we are done for today. So we have our head section of the course. We have 3 buttons with the links to the social networks if you want to use them. We have contact information, your picture of the teacher, and we also added to the course site the description of the course and also a course forum. And if you click on that, then you can add a new discussion topic here and write a message, and all the students attached to your course will receive it. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if you have any questions or any things you want to learn about Moodle and how to do things in Moodle, please write in the comment section, and see you in the next recording. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.